And with that, what's happening, crypto crew? We have a jam-packed video today. We have 4 meme coins that we're looking at. There's Memecoin Mania that's been going on in the crypto space over the last year. Are meme coins safe? We see meme coins as social tokens. There's social economies and social communities that drive these narratives of meme coins. Could some of these meme coins have RWA, real world application? Right now, that's still to be determined, and it might be too early to tell. But right now, the social community aspect of Memecoin Mania is definitely a real thing. You have to pay attention to it. Before we get to any of that, make sure if you want some more training, some more studying, we have this 9-hour course. Only $40, $39.99. Everybody can afford that. Invest in your education, invest in yourself, because this is why the Bitcoin bros do this, is to help the community. We have over a decade plus of experience in financial markets, and we've been in crypto since 2016 strong. Not making videos the whole time, but definitely heavy investors. So make sure that you tap into this course here, and we have a ultimate bundle package for you. You see right here, a limited time edition. You get the 9-hour course and the 2 Crypto Millionaire ebooks. One is Getting Started with Crypto, and another one is Technical Analysis 101. Limited time price, make sure you check it out. Getting straight into it, an update from Crypto Tony. Meme coins are in a consolidation range for now. Another pump is due in a few weeks. This is in his opinion, if the market holds up nicely. So if Bitcoin dumps, which we had a pullback over the past week, if Bitcoin dumps further, black swan event or anything, the whole market's going to dump with it. So keep that in mind. But we're going to look at a few memes to see what we see. Dogecoin is probably the most popular meme out there. The Dogecoin mania from last cycle, is it going to continue into this cycle? Look at the market capitalization of Dogecoin. It's a top 10 crypto meme. $27.4 billion in value. So people can say what they want. They can say that this has no real world use case. There's no utility for Dogecoin, but there is a community and a social construct that has amassed $27 billion in the past few years. And look at it. Dogecoin has been around for quite some time. 2015, 16, 17. Look at the market cap. Way back when, it was $22 million. And what put Doge on the map? Elon Musk. He shilled Doge on Twitter, and Doge ran all the way up, almost to $100 billion. It fell a little short, but $73 billion in value. So this is definitely a huge community. Where do we see the token going? The current time it's recording, Dogecoin is at 19 cents. Could Doge hit $1 this cycle? Last cycle, it fell short, ramped to about 70, 72, 73 cents, give or take. But looking at our Elliott waves, what do we see? What do we anticipate? We see that this leg 1, this leg 2 pullback, leg 3, leg 4, and we could be seeing this leg 5 play out. How high could this go? So based on Elliott wave theory rules, leg 1 isn't the longest leg, but leg 5 has to be as long as leg 1. So how high could this price action go based at the bottom of leg 4? This would go up to a 27 cent range. But that's not a new all-time high. So leg 3 is typically the longest leg. So if we see leg 3, how high this could go, pull this down to the bottom of leg 4, this would take Dogecoin all the way up to $15. So is it out the realm of possibility to see a $10 Dogecoin? Well, let's look at our Pepe extensions here. Let's do the swing low to the swing high. The 1.618 takes this up to roughly $2.27. So Could we go past that? The 2 levels at 539 and the 2.272s at 997. Is a $10 Dogecoin out there on possibility? Well, that'd be looking at like really 5 times 10. You'd be looking at a 50x for right now. Could Dogecoin 50x? There's no guarantee that that's going to happen because you got to look at the market capitalization. Could the market capitalization 50x? That would be over a multi-trillion-dollar valuation. The 10x would put it at 270 billion, and then a 40x would be about $1 trillion. So you gotta look at, is that in the realm of possibility? Potentially, but that's not a high probability it's going to happen. Dogecoin hitting $1 is definitely doable. That's a 5x from right now. That would take its market capitalization over about 135 billion. That's definitely doable. Pepe is the next coin on our radar. Looking at the all-time valuation, at the depths of the bear market, you see Pepe had huge price appreciation. The market capitalization coming in at number 44 is $3 billion. And as you see, we've seen this huge price appreciation. Where could Pepe be going? Let's take a look at these charts. So from the depths of the bear market to where we currently are at the current time of this recording, this seen a almost 1100% return. That's an 11x. So 1 turned into 12. Huge price appreciation. Is Pepe done? So what we see here, we see a huge bull flag pattern. We drew this out for you and actually got a technical target. Could Pepe go up higher? Yeah, how much higher? From where we are right now, we could see another 800 to 900% price appreciation from where we are right now per this technical target. Now, this bull flag still is in play, and Pepe right now is towards the bottom end of this bull flag. Taking a look at this, we have to hold these levels. You don't want to fall below this. If we have a candle close below this orange line, then we have to reevaluate. But this is definitely a bull trend, a bull flag. Right now, if we get a bump up to the upside, this would be a huge price appreciation for anybody that has any money in Pepe. Myro, another dog token. This is more down on the risk curve, number 275 per coin market cap, $250 million price appreciation. Zooming out, you see that Myro has went from 0.004 cents up to 26 cents. A huge appreciation. Where else could this token be going? Taking a look at the chart, what do we see? What do we anticipate? Could this be a completed Elliott wave sequence? So let's get our Elliott wave counter out. You see wave 1, this could be wave 2. Is this wave 3, wave 4, and has wave 5 already played out? This could be a possibility, but remember, per Elliott wave theory, the third leg is typically the longest leg. So let's just measure this out to see how high this actually goes. This could be, the rally for Myro. Myro could be done running. So this is, keep this in mind. But right now, this does look like some type of bull flag pattern that looks like it could be playing out. You want to keep all your options open. So look at this. Where does this technical target take you up to? Elliott wave is just a theory. Sometimes the fifth leg can be overextended. So it doesn't always have to be textbook that pattern. So this could take us up to roughly $1.52. So could this break out of this bull flag, and could this fifth leg then come up to this price appreciation? It's not out the realm of possibility, but all in all, you just have to be patient and see how this pattern plays down. If it breaks up, this is the target. If it breaks down, might need to reassess. And then another token that's came out of nowhere for the meme mania. You see Dogwifhat, WIF token, coming in at the current time of this recording at $3.95, number 31, a little shy of $4 billion market capitalization. Where is this token going to be going? As you see, It was roughly 32 cents, did a quick 10x. So there's not much price data on this token. This has been around for just a short amount of time, but it is one of the newer meme mania coins. So if we zoom into the price action to see what we see that this is putting in higher highs and higher lows. The trend's your friend to the end, so you just want to be, happy with that. It's just stair stepping its way up. This trend line seems to be respected. Could we come back down to retest 356, 350 range? Yes. And then could we see a higher price target higher? Yes, that's a possibility. But looking here, it seems like if we draw this horizontal line from the $3.41 range, you see that we had some type of just could be a double bottom pattern that's forming here. This could be a rounding bottom with a cup and handle pattern formation. And then we had this bump and run. Where's the technical target for this? If we pull from the swing low up to where that neckline would be, let's get the target. So we pull up to here, and then we got to pull this over to where the target would be. This would take us up to about almost a $6, $5.93. That's not nothing crazy from where we are right now. That would be just roughly another about 50% move to the upside. Could this overshoot? Could this get extremely parabolic? Yes, because this is a new token. It's already taken off. As you see, it's done about 10x since the price has been, since this inception, since December. But we have to be wait and see. Right now we see that it could maybe have a Coinbase listing. Are we going to see this on Binance? That's something to be determined. Right now, number 31 per coin market cap. If this went up to where Dogecoin was in the top 10, you'd be looking at like a 3x. So you'd be looking at like a $12 billion market capitalization along with a $12 price target. So is that possible? We'll see. We're still in the bull run, but this is definitely one that has ripped faces. If you look at the memes on CoinMarketCap, the further you go down on the risk curve, the more price appreciation that these potentially could run. When saying risk curve, you have to look at the overall market capitalization, because the smaller the market cap, the more massive the moves are when these memes move. Now, one thing to note is that these memes are very volatile. There's a lot of volatility in this space. So if you're putting, a good portion of your portfolio in Tama Doge that only has $10 million, this could be a pump and dump. So you want to be smart. You don't want to be a degen. You don't want to just, if you're going to put some money on these, only put a few $100s, something that you're willing to lose. Think of it like a lottery ticket, because a lot of these aren't going to be around next bull market. But if you go higher up on the risk curve and you see these social communities that have higher market capitalizations, these have stronger communities. So if these communities catch steam and catch wind, the bonks, the flockies, the Pepes, Dogwifhat, Shiba Inu, and such, these are definitely probably going to appreciate based off of their strong communities. A lot of these down further on the risk curve, there could be multi-millionaires made overnight with $1,000 investments. But as you see, there's hundreds of these to choose from. This is just page 1 out of 1,972. You can go as far as you want down the risk curve. There's tons of these memes that just pop up, and they're fly-by-nights. Look at, you can see some that have $3,360,000 in it. You just got to be careful, because this can be like a casino. And with that, I'm Sean with the Bitcoin Bros. If you guys like this content, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and show us some love. We appreciate the support. With that, that's all I have for you today, and I'm out.